Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Verity mod not working in Minecraft. If Verity isn't responding, keeps showing errors, or won't talk to you, don't worry. I'll cover the most common reasons why this happens and show you exactly how to fix them. Let's get started. The first thing you need to check is whether you've added a valid API key to the Verity mod. Without an API key, Verity can't connect to its AI service, which means it won't be able to respond to your messages. To check this, press Escape, open Mods, select Verity, and click Config. Then, at the top of the menu, open AI Settings. This is where you'll enter your API key. If you don't have an API key yet, don't worry. It's quick and easy to create one. Open your web browser and go to console.grok.com. Sign into your account, or create one if you're new. Once you're logged in, click Create API Key and complete the verification process. After that, Grok will generate your new API key. Make sure to copy it immediately and save it somewhere safe because, for security reasons, it won't be displayed again after you leave or refresh the page. Now go back to Minecraft, paste the API key into the Verity settings, and make sure the AI provider is set to Grok. You can also choose the AI model you want to use. Faster models respond more quickly, while more advanced models provide smarter and more detailed responses. Once everything is set up, click Done to save your changes and try talking to Verity again. If the API key was the issue, the mod should now work correctly. If you're using voice chat instead of typing, you'll also want to check your microphone controls. Press Escape, go to Options, then Controls and open Keybinds. Scroll down until you find the Verity mod section. By default, press M to switch between available microphones. Press V to talk to Verity using your voice. Select the correct microphone, hold V, and speak. If everything is configured properly, Verity should hear you and reply. Another common problem is reaching your API usage limit. If you see an error 429, it usually means you've sent too many requests in a short amount of time or your API plan has reached its usage limit. The easiest solution is to wait a few minutes and try again. If you regularly hit the limit, you may need to upgrade your API plan to increase your available usage. You can also reduce API usage by enabling native TDS. Simply open Verity Config, go to AI Settings, and make sure Use Native TDS is turned on. This can reduce API requests and improve the overall experience. Those are the most effective ways to fix the Verity mod if it's not working in Minecraft. If this guide helped you, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Minecraft tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.